This is a report and SIM 223.
Our topic is steps to take in case of the ship damage. In the event of the ship damage, immediate action are crucial. First, alert the master. Sound the alarm and assess the situation to determine the extent of the damage. Next, ensure watertight doors are closed. Take soundings to monitor flooding and assess stability. Notify relevant authorities, including the port authority, and keep the owner or manager informed. If necessary, send a distress signal and take steps to manage potential oil spills or other pollution. Finally, document the incident and record important data.
Detailed step 1. Alert the master and engine room. Inform the master even if not immediately on the bridge and alert the engine room of the situation. Number 2. Sound and general alarm. Signal the crew to master to their emergency station. Number 3. Assess the damage. Send an officer to inspect the damaged area and identify the nature and extent of the damage. Number 4. Ensure watertight integrity. Close all watertight doors and hatches to prevent further flooding. Number 5. Take soundings. Crew members should take soundings of all tanks, ballast, fresh water, etc. to monitor flooding levels. And number 6. Assess stability. Determine if the vessel stability is compressed due to the damage and implement measures to correct and any list. Number 7. Notify authorities and stakeholders. Inform the port authority, flag, state, and other relevant parties about the incident. Number 8. Send distress signals if necessary. Utilize available communication methods VHF, MF, HF, SAT-C to send a distress signal if the situations warrant.
Number 9. Record important data. Document the time of the incident of the vessel involved, if applicable, and the vessel position. Number 10. Handle oil spill. If fuel tanks or oil tanks are damaged, take immediate action to prevent or contain an oil spill. Number 11. Document the incident. Maintain in detailed record on the incident for future reference and potential legal claims. Number 12. Keep owner manager informed. Inform the shop owner or manager of the incident and its potential consequences. Number 13. Seek assistance if the situation is seriously. Contact a local P&I correspondent or other relevant supportive service.